Welcome to the biology class, chapter 2, Plant Kingdom. In the last video, we discussed about the general characteristics of algae. In this video, we will learn about the classification of algae. Fritsch proposed a classification for algae based on pigmentation, types of flagella, reserve food materials, thallus structure, and reproduction. There are 11 classes in algae. They are Chlorophyceae, Xanthophyceae, Chrysophyceae, Basilarioophyceae, Cryptophyceae, Dinophyceae, Chloromonadinae, Euclinophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae, and Cyanophyceae. In our book, only the three classes are described in detail. They are Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, and Rhodophyceae. Chlorophyceae, the members are called as green algae. Most of the species are aquatic. Ulva is a marine member. Spirogera is a freshwater species. A few are terrestrial. Example, Trentifolia. Members of this class has different shapes of chloroplast. Cup-shaped chloroplast is found in Chlamydomonas. The chloroplast is discoid in Cara. Girdle-shaped chloroplast is found in Eleutheryx. The chloroplast is reticulate in Eudogonium. It has network like chloroplast. Spiral-shaped chloroplast is found in Spirogera. Star-shaped chloroplast is found in Zygnema. Plate-like chloroplast is found in Mogutia. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B are the major photosynthetic pigments. Storage bodies called pyrenoids are present in the chloroplast. These pyrenoids store starch. Members of Chlorophyceae store starch. This starch is not stored in other class members. This is due to the presence of pyrenoids. The pyrenoids store starch. The cell wall has two layers. The inner layer of cellulose and the outer layer of pectin form the cell wall. Vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction are the three types of reproduction found in Chlorophyceae. Vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation. Asexual reproduction involves the spore formation. Zoospores, aplanospores, and agonites are produced. Zoospores are motile spores, aplanospores are non-motile spores which are thin-walled, and aconites are thick-walled spores. Sexual reproduction is isogamous. It involves fusion of similar type of gametes. The gametes are morphologically similar and physiologically similar. Both are swimming, both are motile. Anisogamous reproduction. Here the fusing gametes are dissimilar in one aspect. They are morphologically dissimilar, but they are physiologically similar. In oogamous reproduction, the fusing gametes are dissimilar both morphologically and physiologically. Chlamydomonas, chlorella, Volvax, Ulva, Cara, Elothrix, Spirogyra are the common examples of the class Chlorophyceae. Phaeophyceae, the members are called as brown algae. Majority of the forms are found in marine habitats. Chlorocladia is a freshwater form. The thallus is filamentous. Ectocarpus. In ectocarpus, the thallus is filamentous. The thallus is frond-like in Dictyota. The thallus looks like the compound leaves. Giant kelps are larger forms. Example, Laminaria and Macrocystis. This is Laminaria and this is Macrocystis. They are larger forms. Phaeophyceae, the members are called as brown algae. The thallus is differentiated into leaf-like photosynthetic part called fronds. Fronds are the leaf-like parts in Phaeophyceae members. And a stalk-like structure called stipe. The stalk-like structure is called a stipe. The plant body is attached on the substratum by holdfast. A holdfast attaches the thallus to the substratum. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, carotenoids and xanthophylls are commonly found pigments in this group. A golden brown pigment called fucoxanthin is also present. The fucoxanthin gives different shades of colors to the members. They have the shade between olive green to brown. The members have the shades between olive green to brown due to the presence of fucoxanthin pigment. They store mannitol and laminarian starch. Members of Phaeophyceae store mannitol and laminarian starch. Members have motile reproductive structures. They have motile gametes. The gametes have two laterally inserted unequal flagella. The motile structures have two flagella. They are unequal. The flagella are inserted on the side. This is a motile reproductive structure. It has two flagella. They are different. One is tinsel. It is rough. And another one is whiplash. It is a smooth type. Sexual reproduction ranges from isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy. Most of the forms show oogamous type. It involves the fusion of dissimilar type of gametes. Alternation of generation is present in Phaeophyceae members. Laminaria, sargassum, fucus, Dictyota are the members of Phaeophyceae. Rhodophyceae, the members are called as red algae, mostly marine. The thallus is multicellular, macroscopic and diverse in form. The thallus of the members vary. Porphyridium is a unicellular form. The thallus is filamentous in Goniotrichum. Ribbon-like thallus is present in Porphyra. Corallina and Lithamnian are heavily impregnated with lime and form coral reefs. These two forms are impregnated with lime. The calcium entered into the cells and the forms become very hard, and these two members form coral reefs. In Tamil, Pavalaparai. Apart from chlorophyll A, R phycoerythrin and R phycocyanin are the photosynthetic pigment. The red color is due to the presence of phycoerythrin pigment. They store fluoride and starch. Asexual reproduction takes place by means of monospores, neutral spores, and tetraspores. Monospores are non-motile spores produced by the members which show alternation of generation. Neutral spores are produced by mitosis without fertilization. Tetraspores are produced by meiosis. It consists of 4 spores, of which 2 produce male plant, another 2 produce female plant. Sexual reproduction is oogamous type. Here there is separate male and female reproductive organs. Male sex organ is spermatangium. It produces, and female sex organs are carpogonium. The male sex organ produces spermatium and female reproductive organ produces egg. Fertilization is supported by water. Water carries spermatium to the egg. Both the nuclei fuse and form a zygote after fertilization. The zygote undergoes meiosis to produce corpospores. Corpospores are produced from zygote after meiosis. Alternation of generation is present in members of Rhodophyceae. They are commonly called as red algae. Ceramium, Gigatina, Polysiphonia, Cryptonemia, Gelidium are the common examples of Rhodophyceae. The members are called as red algae.